this world full of seriousness and a rat race, we need to become slightly humble and kind. If you see a red light, let's try not to jump it. Rather, let's wait and hope other people are gonna follow us. This is one kind thing we can do daily as a bike rider. This is why we need gloves. See how our hands protect us? This is why we need helmets. Even in slow speeds, you are at risk. This is what I used to wear before. Even though this is the beginning of my journey, I used to protection. Look at these gloves, the jacket. It's basic, and these elbow guards, these gloves with basic knuckle protection. Look, and these are Scorpio elbow guards and knee guards. And I used to wear woodland boots. These boots help me a bit. This is what we call basic protection. Look at this helmet, Stux helmet. It cost me around 1800, but I think it's quite nice. The price I paid for it. You never know what to protect, so let me show you how we can protect ourselves. Look at this new version of me. There's other serum 2.0 after improvising with gears. Okay, see you guys. Uh-oh, I don't know why I left. Hi guys. Hey. So these are waterproof Royal Enfield gloves. You can see here. Let's talk about helmet. So this is one of the most important accessory. Look, the ventilation, the spoiler, the design, the pin lock to, that pin lock is necessary for anti-fog and all. So this is all very important, and there should be scratch resistant glass. Let's talk about the riding jacket. So it is equipped with elbow level 2 armor, shoulder armor again level 2, and even the back, the armor is level 2. The chest we got Eva form, but it's okay. I think it's fine. About the pant, it's Raida Rover pant with a tailbone protector, knee protectors level 2, and meet Leo. Hi. Yep, one. Let's go. Come on. Good work. So this is Raida Discover boots. These are pretty tough and very good. They do not allow my foot to bend that easily. That's what it's supposed to do. And let's see.